Hello everyone, this is Miss Pie again. In this video I'm going to show you how to graph vertical lines, or, sorry, vertical linear equations. There we go. And being able to do it where you limit it. So if you look on this picture here, I've got this vertical line right here that I want to graph. And because it's going to be a linear equation, I'm just going to start with, I'm just going to pick a big number for my slope times x. Okay, I have no idea what my y-intercept is going to be over here or anything like that. But with linear equations, you can move them. So I'm going to get my cross here, move it over there, almost sort of kind of get it. If you notice, my slope's not quite perfect. Let me see. I'm going to have to change the slope. Man, it does not want to change the slope. Anyway, all right, so right about there, it's almost perfect. I don't know. I may have to, because my slope is so large, I might have to just change my number. You know what? Right there. Boom. I got it. All right, so here we go. All right, so this is now my equation. I transformed it to get this. That's my y-intercept. Wow. And this is my slope. So it's a pretty big slope. And I'm going to have to limit this so it stops here and stops there. But you can only limit your x values. So it would be fairly difficult to figure out exactly where those are and to get an accurate measurement unless I do some horizontal lines and find my intercepts. So just to do my horizontal line, I want to know 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to say I want it roughly at 4. So I'm just going to put f of x or y equals 4 to get a horizontal line there. And I'm looking at it and I'm like, wow, that's a little bit too high. So I'm going to click on it and just pull it down right there. Okay, so I just want to find that intersecting point right there. And then down here, again, same thing, probably about a 0. Let me go there. There we go. So just y equals 0. That's pretty close. Okay, a little bit too high. So I'm going to click on it, pull it down. I want it to stop right there. All right, now I don't want to see these formulas. I don't need them, so I'm going to delete it. I want to find the intersecting point. So I'm going to analyze my graph and find the intersection. Menu, analyze, graph, and intersection. That's what you're going to do. Because I have 3 different graphs, I need to tell the calculators which 2 graphs I want to find the intersection for. So I picked the red one first and the blue one. Then it says lower bound. I need to be on the left side of the intersection. Click on it and then move over to the right side and click on it. So it tells me that this point is going to intersect at when x is 5. And I just want to know about my x values. I don't care about the y values. Okay. Same process with my bottom line here. Menu, analyze graph, intersection. Tell the calculator which 2 graphs, so the black line and the blue line. And then I'm going to click lower bound, upper bound, and there's my x values. So I have a 4.83 and a 5. All right, so now pull up the blue formula again. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my limit there. Not tab. Whoops, what did I just do? Tab. Hopefully I didn't delete anything. Oh, there we go. All right, so now I'm going to insert the limit. So control equals, do the such as, and then this is my leftmost value, so 4.83. 4.83 is, whoops, not the equal sign, I did it again. Control equals, to pull this up, less than x, control equals again, less than 5. Okay. Wow, I can hardly see it. Let me make that bigger so we can see it better. There we go. And as you can see, it stopped here and here. So it started down here and stopped here. So even though it looks like a completely straight line, it has a slight curve to it. It's a slight slope. So it's a very sharp slope. It's very vertical. Anyway, so anytime you have a fairly vertical line to do like that, that's what you're going to do. So here's another example. I'm not going to walk you through it again. It's a pretty basic. But so just graph the line, get it as close to as you can. Then do your horizontal lines, just where whatever the y values are, define the horizontal. Analyze graph, menu, analyze graph, find the intersection, and then go from there. And that'll give you your x values you'll use for your limits. All right, so I know lots of you have been waiting for me to post this video. Hopefully this helps you.